shout out to Janelle and Kevin for supporting our build. Once again, if you guys want your name written on the roof of this car, you guys could go ahead and donate to Cortese Clan on Venmo. I'll put it up right here. It's just at Cortese Clan. Go ahead and Venmo $2, and in the caption, we will write whatever name you want on here, your mom's name, your dad's name, your dog's name, your Instagram, your Snapchat, whatever name you guys want written on here. Please make sure it's appropriate. We'll go ahead and tag up the roof for you guys, really show how much we appreciate your support. We'll also link a video in the description explaining this whole idea that we have. Be sure to keep up to date on our Instagram, our TikTok, our YouTube, all our social medias. I will be adding clips before or after, I'm not exactly sure yet, of us writing names on the roof of this car so you guys can see the progress. Again, shout out to Janelle and Kevin for supporting the build. Thanks. Back to the video now. Peace. My focus. There we go. I think that's good. I don't have my other lens, so this autofocus clicks. So sorry if you hear clicking. I'm on manual focus right now. Well, we have new parts for the 4Runner. We are installing this here hood protector, deflector, wind deflector, fairing thing. Front hood fairing thing. And then what's that other thing we have? The tip. The tip. The Toyota part, right? Yeah. I want to make sure I'm in focus. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. Slip-on exhaust tip. Toyota slip-on exhaust tip. Black chrome. It's dirty in there. That's not too bad.
All the plastic pieces.
All the plastic. We just got back from Stellar built in Sacramento. We have a couple fun little mods that are coming soon for this thing. If you guys don't know Stellar, they specialize in 4Runners and Toyotas and all the off-road game for this. Go check them out on Instagram. I'll link them right here.
Looks like it. I can see it.
I assume that it just mounts up to those holes there.
Look like it's made for it.
Yep. This is an OEM piece, so it shouldn't be too hard to install. It's right here.
Does he come with hardware?
Yeah, it's right here. Oh, look at that. I didn't even realize. Can you see that? Can you catch that? Toyota. It says right there, Toyota. Genuine parts from Japan. There's our hood protector. Okay, so step one is we're gonna take these clear vinyl protective strips, like my dad's doing over here, kind of line it up.
Cover much
like that.
How much do I need to cover on that side?
Just the edge, I think, not much. I say just split it 50-50. So he's stinging that guy down and then folding it over. So what that's for is these brackets here, right there. You can see they're labeled O and I. The ones labeled I go on the inside, like the inside curvature of the hood. The ones labeled I go across here, and the O's go across there. So the way these guys work is they're like offset brackets. So this guy kind of hooks around the hood like that, and then bolts up right there. So it'll go in something like that. And those little clear vinyl things wrap around the edge here. That way the metal of this bracket doesn't mar up your nicely painted hood. So these guys, these little nylon guys actually don't go in first. So the nylon expansion clips actually fit into the bracket first. Then this bracket hooks around the hood. This is an outside one, so it hooks around the hood like so. And then you stick the nylon piece in there, and then you put one of the self-tapper screws through there, and it expands and holds this bracket in place. Go ahead, you could send a screw through there. You can see like so. Alrighty, my dad is just sending the self-tappers through there. The self-tappers are the ones with the pointy end on it. See, our outer brackets are on there. There's our little protective clear film, then our bracket, and then the nylon in there. Yeah. And then the next step is the underside of the hood fairing. Hooks under here, and then you put a washer on the other side, and then you send a bolt through. Alrighty, and this is what it looks like. Drop down. See the little vinyl protector? That's there so when the wind hits it and this rattles around, it doesn't scuff up your paint. Yeah, so this lip here goes under the bracket. So it fits under the bracket like that. See if I can get an angle for you guys. Oh, this guy fits under the bracket. All right, and these washers are also nylon, so it doesn't scuff the plastic of the hood protector. So these guys just go on screw like so. And then these guys go up through the hood protector and into those brackets we just mounted. Nice, all buttoned up, all bolted up now. Looks good. Nice. That looks pretty good. Looks mean. It's like it's got eyebrows now. Toyota. You can see a little Toyota badge right there, a little inscription. That's pretty cool. Oh, we should have got that ceramic coated with it.
No, when we do the wheels.
Oh, when we get the wheels ceramic coated. I don't think I ever mentioned we're able to get the car ceramic coated. One of my dad's friends was able to do it, so that's cool. Car is fully ceramic coated now, and then we're gonna take the wheels in, as well as probably this hood protector to get ceramic coated as well. Makes cleaning a lot easier. So there's the hood protector. It's kind of hard to see in this light actually, because of the glare. It just looks like more glare, but see if I can get an angle for you guys. Bam. Looks mean. That rag matches your shirt. Looks good. Looks mean. These are getting blacked out soon, don't worry. And we have a little thing to black that out too later. We just ordered a kit for this. I think we found one. There's some Chinese knockoff kit, but we'll try it out. We'll see if it works. But yeah, so that's gonna be blacked out. Front end looking real mean. I love how that looks. Alrighty, time for the next mod, the exhaust tip. Alright, now we're about to do the slip-on exhaust tip. Here's the current exhaust tip. It's got a slight turn down to it, but we've done slip-ons before and you have to actually cut the existing tip off. I don't think you need to do that with this one because it'll only fit with the existing tip. If you could see, it's thicker here than it is over there, so it'll only fit on this. It's got some spacers, so it'll clamp on all nice and even. That guy's sliding on like that. Put the spacers on, and then wrench down on that bolt right there. Should be pretty simple. Just a little slip-on. Just make sure it's rotated all straight here. There you go, just wrench it down. You'll notice we left the plastic on it. That's a good thing to do whenever you're doing anything with exhaust. Oils from your fingers are gonna leave oil stains on the exhaust, and when it heats up, it'll kind of burn into those areas and be all ugly and you'll see fingerprints. Either leave the plastic on or clean it off before you start up the car. That way you don't have like permanent fingerprints on your exhaust. We're just leaving the plastic off. We're gonna pull that off now. Here's the peel, best part. There you go. Nice. Black chrome tip. That looks mean. Looks good. See it from the side. Nice. Catch that Toyota logo in there. See if I could catch the Toyota logo in there. Right there. Get that. It's not as loud as chrome, but it's not as invisible as black is. Looks perfect. The side profile over here is actually kind of sick. You can see it's a turn down. Looks super aggressive. Side profile is sick. Nice. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Pretty simple install. We just did the hood protector fairing thing, and then we did that slip-on black chrome exhaust tip. Again, if you guys want your name written on this here race car build, my uncle's race car, the Honda Civic SI project, go ahead and Venmo Cortese, $2 or more. Help us out with the build, and we will sign your name on here. Go ahead and check out our social medias. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are enjoying the 4Runner content. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. TZ on me, TZ on 3, 1, 2, 3, TZ. Peace.